So I placed my lace front wigs 3 fingers from the arch of my eyebrow. So on the edge of this finger, my 3rd finger, that's the arch of my eyebrow, and then the lace front starts and I can feel it at the edge of my 3rd finger. Some people like 3 fingers if your face is on the smaller side, or 4 fingers. And so for me, I like 3. So what I do is I flip the back up like this. I push the wig in and out. And so from this position, I can control this wig. I can push it forward and I can push it back. And so that's how you want to adjust your lace front wigs. You don't really want to be pulling on the lace because it's just a very delicate material. So really get used to pushing the wig forward and in, and you'll be able to adjust your wig. If you find it's too hard to move it forward, take the wig off and put it on again and just place it really far forward, and then it's easier to push the wig back. So again, 3 fingers from the arch of my eyebrow, and you're just feeling that lace front.